Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Motorola smartphone. Some of the application froze and some of the applications stuck in between. So how you can fix these problems? So firstly friends, you have to just open your power menu, click using the power button. Now simply power off this device. You can see it is shutting down, and now it is completely shut down. You have to press this volume up button and power button at the same time. So I'm doing this process in between. You will not lose any of your data using this process. So let's start. First, let's press the volume up button and power button at the same time continuously, and when the logo appears you have to release the power button, not the volume up button. Just keep pressing it, and you can see you will be in no command issue. And you have to don't panic if your screen is not working. So this is the part of this. So let's press this power button and one tap on this, you can see volume up button. You can see your screen is not working right now, so you have to just press this volume down button to press downwards. So here it is reboot system now, so you have to just reboot it from here. By doing that you will not lose any data. So press this volume button. So you have to see here it is rebooting now. Just wait for 1 minute after it's open. So friends, as you can see the phone is now open. And friends, as you can see the screen is working fine, all the apps are working now. There is no froze or stuck problem in this smartphone. And if this problem remains same to you and this problem is showing that it is even now more frozen screen is showing, then you have to do is format your device. So I show you how you can. So click on this search and write here reset. Click on the reset, and here it is reset options and erase all data. So you have to format your device. In this will erase all your data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, photos, videos, apps, Google account, even your SD card. So before that you have to just back up your important things, Google account, SD card and some of the other data. So then you have to erase your data and then your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.